Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring respiration, so let's dive right in. A cell needs a source of energy in order to be able to carry out all the processes needed for life. It gets this energy by breaking down food molecules to release the stored chemical energy that they contain. This process is called respiration. Many people think that respiration means the same as breathing, but although there are links between the two processes, the biological meaning of respiration is very different. Respiration happens in all the cells of our body. Oxygen is used to oxidize food, and carbon dioxide and water are released as waste products. The main food oxidized is a sugar called glucose. Glucose contains stored chemical energy that can be converted into other forms of energy that the cell can use. It is rather like burning a fuel to get the energy out of it, except that burning releases most of the energy as heat. Respiration releases some heat energy, but most is used to make a substance called ATP. The energy stored in the ATP molecules can then be used for a variety of purposes, such as contraction of muscle cells to produce movement, active transport of molecules and ions, building large molecules such as proteins, cell division. The energy released as heat is also used to maintain a constant body temperature in mammals and birds. The overall reaction for respiration is glucose reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy as ATP. This is called aerobic respiration because it uses oxygen. Aerobic respiration happens in the cells of humans and those of animals, plants, and many other organisms. It is important to realize that this equation is only a summary of the process. It actually takes place gradually, as a sequence of small steps, which release the energy of the glucose in small amounts. Each step in the process is catalyzed by a different enzyme. The later steps in the process are the aerobic ones, and these release the most energy. They happen in the mitochondria of the cell. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.